Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily reading, Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can choose the pile. Skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. I have given the timestamp in the description. So let's start with the daily reading, Capricorn. It's 5 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, and 2 of Swords. Capricorn, with these cards, the energy is that it may be something to do with your career situation or personal life. You are in a very important position in life, maybe your status or in your work. Maybe you are a team leader or you hold an important position with authority. So the way you deal with your circumstance, people may see that you are trying to impose your rules on them, trying to use your power and authority on them, and they may feel stressed because of that, because of the way you handle your situation. But in truth, it may be the way you do things effectively, but they see you that you are misusing your power and authority, guys. And maybe in your career, there may be a circumstance where you are pushed to make some difficult decisions, something you have to make, but if you make that choice, it may affect some people, so you are unable to make that choice, make some truthful choice. You have to make some compromise, but it is quite difficult for you to make that decision. Only if you make that choice, things will go right, and you are really stressed because of that, guys. And it may be something to do with your relationship also, guys. This difficult choices, and you are unable to overcome that hurt you feel from the separation or that loss you feel with that person moving away, or maybe that energy with your past relationship, that hurt, sadness or sorrow, and you regret this situation today in your life, and you just wish that things were different between you both, and you are not aware of the present opportunities. Maybe someone coming towards you, but you are not aware of that. You are just regretting your past. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, for your daily reading. For your love reading, don't miss on that reading, guys. That is coming up right now. It's an elaborate reading. You can watch that, guys. Capricorn, stay tuned for that love reading. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. So you can close your eyes, think of the questions you have in your relationship, and you can open and go to that pile, whichever you see first, guys, and make that choice, and skip to the timestamp and watch that reading. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. So this is your first pile and this is your second pile. So I'll be silent for a few seconds and we will start the reading right after that. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck, this is the first deck. We will start with this reading. So 3 cards from this deck. Patience, love. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. And one more card here for y'all. 6 of Earth. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for your love situation, This may be your energy or this may be your person's energy. You both love each other and you both feel that oneness and unity with each other. Because of that deep connection, your clear communication may be the reason, and you have love for each other. That deep bond is there in this connection. And today you have to be quite patient, maybe in certain circumstances. If you are patient, if you are willing to hold yourself and go for moderations, all that you are dreaming for, all that you are wishing for yourself and in this connection, you will be able to reach it. So this person loves you and they want you in this connection, and the same way you want them. And but there may be certain circumstances trying to push you over the edge towards anger or some kind of quarrels, resentments, but you have to keep your emotions under check. If you do that, you will be really surprised how things will turn out, and you will see unexpected gifts and unexpected turn of events in this connection, guys. Maybe this person is planning to propose to you. They may come with gifts and proposal, or you may be planning this may be that person's energy. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love energy. So things are going in a very positive, beautiful way, but it is in your hands to wait for that good things to manifest. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this is the second card reading. Let us see what are the cards. I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. This is the first card, 4 of Suns, 9 of Moons in reverse, and one more card here, guys. It's 5 of Stars. With these cards, guys, the energy for your relationship, for those who have chosen the second deck. Today, maybe you have to be aware of what you communicate to this person. It may be a general energy or in this relationship, guys. So whatever you speak, you have to think clearly before you speak those words, because when you speak, the words spoken cannot be taken back. So sometimes if you remain silent, it will not affect your circumstance, but if some words spoken wrongly, it may affect the way certain things are in this connection, and you may have a few troubles because of that. And I also see that in this relationship, you would have, or they would have neglected you, or you would have neglected them. It may be something of your with your past person, someone who has been neglected by you, or they have neglected you, guys. So someone of that sort, they are coming back to visit you, maybe make amends if that is the circumstance was their mistake. They are coming forward to make amends, say sorry, and move on in life, forget that traumatic relationship they had. And also in this relationship, maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person does not know your worth and they do not respect you. They are humiliating you in some ways, and you may feel anxious, and you may feel that
things are not going well for you in this relationship, guys. But I also see that you are trying to overcome that, maybe your past hurt, or with this present person, all that negatives that you feel today. You may come to an understanding, and you are trying to overcome that, and you may find a common ground between you both to work this relationship, and you are putting in your efforts, and that is what I see. And maybe you may get quite lucky today. Luck may be working, and destiny may be helping you today in this connection. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.